Not even close. I'm old. I made a fool of my time.
You haven't.
Completely. People are dead because of it.
I want you to know something. The attack on the embassy, it was Haqqani's plan all along. From the very beginning, way before you were abducted. That's why he went to such great lengths to make us believe he was dead. That's why he had Sandy Bachman killed in the street. Did you hear me, Saul? It was Haqqani's plan all along.